Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get a transcript from a YouTube video, and this is quite simple. Alright, first of all we go to a YouTube video. Let's say I want to visit this YouTube video right here. Then you have here the advertisement, but right now if you go down and click here on see more, you see right here the show transcript option. Then from that, click on show transcript, and right now you see here all the text that people are telling you in their video. Now this is a short video of 43 seconds, but if you go back from here and we go to a video like this, and we scroll down to the description like here and do show transcript again, you see here the exact transcript. And right now if you place your cursor here and you go down and you do Ctrl+C, go to docs, new one, and then do blank document, and we do Ctrl+V right here, you see here you have the complete transcript from a YouTube video. Right now if you do Ctrl+A and do this, we can make it smaller, but this is how you can get a transcript from a YouTube video on the most easy way. Alright, if this video helps you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.